My project today is to weld in this corner and to replace that metal at the front of the passenger side wheel tub. I want to get it to where I can epoxy prime the interior, and then I won't have to worry about it flash rusting or anything while I go to the exterior. I got a couple issues I got to resolve with the exterior. Nothing bad though. I mean that lower quarter and rear cab corner are the big things, and a couple other little spots here and there that I gotta touch up. Other than that, it looks pretty good. So I'll keep you posted.